and gentlemen, yes, it's time for a surprise of a day. So we have a big surprise today. So we have a beautiful, gorgeous model, and our beautiful model, basically, she don't know what she wants. She just bring the magazine, she just bring the picture to my salon as Mr. Jeff, I would love to get this haircut. Most of the time, the client, they come into you, they find a picture somewhere, but they don't know if that's gonna be fit on their hair texture or not. So you are the one, as a professional, you have to decide it's either good or bad. And if they trust you, they have to always leave it to you, and you are as a professional, so you can decide what to do. So this is how that happened. So our beautiful model, which is, you cannot believe it. Yes, you cannot believe it. I have a big surprise for her. And the surprise is, she just let me to do it whatever I want to do. Yes. And the only thing she asked me, Jeff, I just broke up with my boyfriend and I'm looking for the new boyfriend. But she just wants to make sure the haircut she will get, it will attract the person who's gonna be her future boyfriend, or hopefully her future husband. So here's the surprise. Whoever wants to see the surprise, you have to watch this video all the way to the end. So stay tuned with us with a surprise of the year 2023. Okay, so we are done with the sectioning. And if you remember, we said we have a surprise because today is April 13, 2023. And this is the latest haircut, I'm doing it. And as I said, it's a surprise. So even the sectioning, it's a 13 sectioning because today is a 13, right? So that's number one, a triangle. That's number two, triangle. Number three, same thing with this size. 4, 5. Then the crown area, which is right here. 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? And then we have 10, 11, 12, and 13 sectioning. So get ready for a nice cut for our surprise model. Stay tuned. Okay, so our surprise is finally ready. Yeah, surprise after April 13, 2023 with the 13th section. And this is a final cut of 2023. That was my surprise for today's our classes. So as you could see, I created beautiful, deep texturizing through the hair, and I decided to go from left to the right. So you could make this one opposite, from right to left. It depends on your client, on the head shape and the colic she has. And then as you could see, the beautiful tapering on the ends. And with this style, I could easily wash her hair and style it at least 10 different ways, because I add a lot of deep texturizing to this technique. And there is a question, because I'm sure as soon as I post this video, 1,000 of you have a question. Why you section the hair like that? I'm sure you're gonna have that question. Why you making that kind of sectioning? If you stay tuned, I will tell you why I make that sectioning. Should I tell them now, audience? Yes? So anyway, I could tell you now the reason I did that sectioning in a different triangle. That's how I could create different uneven look. That's the purpose of that sectioning. Otherwise, if you bring it up like a normal 4 section, I guarantee there is no way you can get this type of haircut. So you have to section the way I did it, and the way I bring it up or down or left or right, and follow my guideline. And that's my new technique for 2023. I did most of my cut. If you remember, I grabbed the hair, I twisted, and then I cut it on above my comb. This is really technique. So the reason I go inside and then I twist it, so when I cut it, it creates a different the length for me. That's how I could style it different way. And as I say, if I wash this hair, I could even style it minimum 10 different style. And I may, if I get enough time, I will wash this hair and then I style it again in different way. Thank you for watching. Jeff Racy.